Rahul Gandhi! Rahul Gandhi! Congress Party! Congress Party! इसमें मनमानी नहीं चलेगी, इसमें मनमानी नहीं चलेगी। राहुल गांधी, कांग्रेस पार्टी, कांग्रेस पार्टी, राहुल गांधी, कांग्रेस पार्टी, कांग्रेस पार्टी, कांग्रेस मनमानी नहीं चलेगी, कांग्रेस पार्टी मनमानी नहीं चलेगी। इसका शर्म किसने खिलाया? कांग्रेस पार्टी मुर्दाबाद, कांग्रेस पार्टी मुर्दाबाद, राहुल गांधी शर्म करो, राहुल गांधी शर्म करो, राहुल गांधी मुर्दाबाद, राहुल गांधी मुर्दाबाद, कांग्रेस पार्टी मुर्दाबाद,
अच्छा बीजेपी लगा जो पीसफुल धरना हुआ से अभियान प्रदेश पूरा तो कांग्रेस भवन बाड़ी प्रेसेस तो अपनी हन के लिए प्रेसा में से बट कंट्रोल पब्लिक हन के बैंक के जना के दरमियान के लिए धरना तो जा सकते
yesterday itu Congress kan pra taigan itu AI summit yete apni kan bi sob jani thaibo all over the world pra 20 head of states dangur manu kan aise on top of that 60 plus ministers all over 500 plus 5 to 600 plus AI leaders sob gather hoi kena yete ami kan la country te age badhawole la itula summit thaise but then this Congress people they had to do this so আমি kan bi yete yuwa kan congress yete nagaland la yuwa bjym kan itula protest kurole peaceful protest kurole ami kan yete ai gena ase
अच्छा अपने को ऐसे एआई सबमिट थे दुकान जिन तो जैन दो जन मनुष्य ने ऑलमोस्ट ऑन एंट्री करने टी-शर्ट खुली ने नाते मोदी ला पिक्चर भी डिपिक्ट करने तहन पूरा धरना निष्ठा पूरा निष्ठा से तहन भी तो इतो के कंट्री का निश्चय में अनिया से गुना प्यारी को आसे पर हमें लोग क्वेश्चन पूछा कि वो हेलो यूनिवर्सिटी पर जितिया रोबोटिक जिनको आने के लिए एआई लगा चाइना पर किनी ने इंडिया प्रोडक्ट बनाई दिशे तो चाइना पर एक नेशन कंट्री पर हमें ला कंट्री के एलेश कुरे से ताला चोर करने कुरे से इजंट इट अ शेम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आंसर देयर एंड मोर ओवर तान अपने को से डेमोक्रेटिक तान भी घुसी के डेमोक्रेटिकली कुरे से तो हमने हान का स्लोगन इतना कांग्रेस भवन ला बाहर दिया से तो कौन इसना हमें ला कंट्री ला नाम तो ऑलरेडी चाइना पर तो वर्ल्ड तो किली ने कौन इसना एआई के चोर करना रोबोटिक ला जिनको तान गुर दिशे इधर ऊपर तो अपने की बीजेपी की स्टैंड करे से
no rajat please
no that started from there right
See, what the China has alleged us, no one has any proof. It's an allegation. But we, the BJP youth wing, just wants to question the Congress that whatever the other nation have alleged our country, it's our country, our pride. We need to protect the status of our country. Have the Congress youth taken a correct step that in front of the world leaders, where we should show our nation's pride, where more than 20 countries came and they are taking out their t-shirts and they are protesting. Is this a correct democratic way to represent our country, being a party who has ruled this country for so many decades? And whatever that China has said, do you think are they Indian or are they Chinese? If they are Indian, then they should stand with the government, they should stand with our country and not with this statement and allegation of other countries.
so no,
Thank you.
but the university could not prove that that was made by they themselves, right? It was not proven. You are saying there is an allegation. Leave it there, but I want to ask you another more question through the BGYM. That is, you're saying the protest actually which you're holding right now is because of the youth congress. They entered inside the EI summit. They have done something which is unacceptable. We accept that. But also, they in that particular picture, it was written that the prime minister was compromised. Don't you think the prime minister is not able to speak in front of Trump because even recently Trump had implied tariff, 50% tariff in our country. Why didn't BJP oppose at that time? Now BJP is saying that Congress has brought in shame to the country. It is not about the shame game. It is about how the Prime Minister of this nation stands for their own people. If Congress has done something like that, even Prime Minister could have just said, let them do. They have that democratic right. They are doing in that way. So why BJP is doing this right now? Is this BJP is trying to just protect their name, and they are trying to pull down things which the Congress is showing up? Is that in question that I'm asking you?
See, the questions with the media fraternity is asking about the tariff and all, it's a foreign matter issue.
No, why it's in foreign matter?
See,
why? It is not
our-
in foreign matter.
our government-
That's why.
our
That's why.
government- our
Don't you think
government-
that's how the Prime Minister has been compromised?
Our Prime Minister is not compromised in any way. Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi is leading this nation.
Yes.
Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi is one of the most popular Prime Minister in this entire universe, and it's been proven many a times. The question which has been asked by the media is a question to the foreign diplomats, which we are not going to answer today. But today, our protest is only focused on the brutal act by the Youth Congress, which have been done yesterday. We really defame it.
One Ishna, junto apni kuaz ita. BJP la only even you are saying the Prime Minister is good. We accept every Prime Minister is good doing their own job. But one Ishna, even Prime Minister Narendra Modi ke kinga gone Trump ra directive di dage every time. Tel bhi tadi pra giri bhi nol bhi dul tarar bhi laga dete. Why BJP stays silent? Whenever Congress does anything, you are just going around in the public or in the road. You have the democratic right. Even Congress has the democratic right. Junto tahan ra gurishe, there is also a democratic right. Tahan pra tahan laga. Junto expression ase tahan express kuru dishe. So is it a way to now, Puranishna? Would you like to answer this?
See, tade simple ase na. Tade taigan itya world la leaders kan sob ahe na iman dangur event hoa ase. Na kiba ase kurubola ase bole piche to guru na kile the moment kurubo lage when everyone is out there. 20 plus head of states are there. 600 plus AI leaders are there. Itu same kun ge hoa ase. Amkan la country ge hoa ase. Na takan tu they'll get a bad report. Tade jai na inga hoise to na. So you do it in a democratic way. You do after everything is gone. Yeah. You shouldn't be doing like that. That's what.
Dai jeshi bile to tahan bhi idu protest kurbo na paro. Tahan bhi democratic right to Puranishna ase. Puranishna amyan la sawal itu ase. Congress te ase, but our question is that amyan itu hudi ase bar bar. Tahan pre allege kure ase gule to. If Prime Minister is compromised, would you like to answer that? Kile tahan to allege kure ase to. Even we can see apni ko ase tade foreign diplomat ase. That's how the message will be spread across the countries. Then ka ore tahan pra idu pura karne hobo pare.
So
But
I just want to ask you also, what do you mean by when you said our Prime Minister is compromised? In
no,
what
that's
way?
Congress
what-
is alleged. That's
That's
Congress
what-
is alleged.
that's the thing.
वो तो दिन ला जुन तो दे तहान पे एंटी कोने illegal अपने उनको आसे तहान ला तादे लेकिन दे Congress BJP was compromised, even Prime Minister was compromised. तो इतु ला ऊपर टेक वासे तो इतु के डिफेंड करे आसे ना अपनी खान shame ला करे आसे इतु अपने के केयर बोले.
It will see, it's simple out there. No one is compromised. Summit to ja ase. It's just that at the end of the day, such a big event is happening. American la country te. Ita to American la country sorom khai gina ba ase to. So they shouldn't do that. Whatever it is na. Aru jai gina shirt kan itu matlab nahi to. Nokru bo lagi to itu kan. Na they shouldn't this one.
और AI लगा जुन तो robotic ला जुन China पर किना लगा allegation जैसे इतु ला ऊपर BJP की answer बोलने आसे ना.
See, I'll tell you. Apni question is a very reasonable question, and that is not rocket science question at all. And we are not here to solve queries can answer to. We're not here. See, the reason why we are having this peaceful protest is, see that AI summit, itu platform though, there were so many innovators, creators, world leaders. So where that summit was a platform to provide avenues for creators, big minds, and that is not the platform for street protests and all. So amakan yumakan as a youth, you being a good citizen of India, we being good citizen of India, we do not expect such street protest kind of thing from any political party or anyone. You just amyan bisop amna kursa. Itu one tangor platform provide mana thagam de. Chalo, see, opposing the government is different. It's acceptable in democracy. Only in a very big summit where world leaders, big innovators, engineers kan aina thagam de. Enaka chamala gurule jumlak dekha bole. They are trying to reflect, trying to show very negative image towards the world, amal India la. Whereas we, see, I'm not saying only the BJP or not only one particular political party or not. See, amal so Indian kan, we're trying to project, we're trying to show that we India, we are moving ahead. Aman progress there. And AI Summit is a very good initiative of the government. So instead of opposing is divine matter, as I said. Nah.
Okay, sir, I'm stopping you. Living about BGP, living about progress, you say that it's a platform where the nation is interested. Itu ase ami ala country represent was it that man na mano ina so was it ora to bulke ठीक है sir. But one is na when Yerodla jite university lo pode tahan pra purchase kurina ana laga model jite ani gine tahan rebuild kurne tahan pra design kura laga allegation aalo apni ko ase innovation AI innovation to ami an dekta side usually to university ma nagor ekta pra AI innovation koine tahan pra kini ani gine dali ko ade kitu strong hoy itu answer debi biji
Yes. See, regarding that thing though, any XYZ university, no?
Isn't that a shame?
See,
Isn't it a shame? Itu answer lage main
no, it depends.
no how come it depends because type of chor kuna ni country ek taraf allegation diya ase country te banai na
Yeah. See, I'll tell you.
Just an
then that's what how
No, it's an allegation, wrong or right. Itu though only they only those people they know. Only we like the government doesn't. Itu एक university की हो बोले से की नो बोले से एक government right सब see the government doesn't
government पे दिया से AI submit हुआ से
maybe there was a mistake on the part of the
just last one to say allegation is allegation. We contemnly we are shameful as an Indian. I as a citizen of Indian, whatever Youth Congress have done is a shameful act, and I request the media also not to defend on any issue which hampers the image of our nation. Thank you.